Over the past decades, China has constantly improved its rule by law. Let's take a look at some key facts and figures in China's legal process in the last 75 years. When the People's Republic of China was founded in 1949, the country was faced with a devastated economy and a broken legal system after years of wars. New China's very first law was the marriage law, promulgated on April 13, 1950. It established the principles of free choice of marriage partners, promoted gender equality, and the liberation of women. 4 years later, the People's Republic of China enacted its first constitution. The country's current constitution was enacted in December 1982, and since then the constitution has been amended 5 times. In 1999, rule of law was first written into the work report of the CPC 15th Party Congress and into the constitution. By 2011, China had a total of 236 laws. It also announced the formation of a socialist legal system with Chinese characteristics. And to date, China has over 300 laws, close to 600 administrative regulations, and more than 14,000 local regulations. China continuously reviews and refines its regulations to ensure a law-based government that can address the demands of changing times. About 6 administrative regulations were abolished from 2012 to 2021. And China also trains over 100,000 legal professionals each year. The number of active lawyers in China has increased from 271,000 to 725,000 in the past decade. And China aims to have 750,000 lawyers in 2025, which translates to over 5 lawyers for every 10,000 people. And Chinese law firms have established 180 branch offices in 35 countries and regions with more than 12,000 lawyers. Raising public awareness is vital to the country's rule of law. And since 1986, China has completed 7 5-year plans on improving legal awareness. And by the end of 2022, judicial offices carried out 1.4 million activities. China also has 113 national bases for public education on the rule of law. The third plenary session of the 20th CPC Central Committee, held in July 2024, declared that China will build a law-based country at a higher level and achieve modernization on the basis of the rule of law.